Hello everyone, my name is Anissa Febrianti. I'm a visual communication design student from Mercu Buana University. I'm here to explain about fiction. Let's begin. Fiction. Fiction is created in the imagination of its author. The author invents the story and makes up the character, the plot or storyline, the dialogue, and sometimes even the setting. Fiction does not claim to tell a true story. Instead, it immerses us in experience that we may never have in real life. Introduces us to type people we may never otherwise meet and takes us to places we may never visit in any other way. Work of fiction implies the inventive construction of an imaginary world, and most commonly, its fictionality is publicly acknowledged, so its audience typically expect it to differ in some way from the real world rather than presenting only characters who are actually people or descriptions that are factually true. Fiction is generally understood as not adhering precisely to the real world, which also opens it up to various interpretation. Character and even within a fictional work may even be set in their own context entirely separate from the known universe and independent fictional universe. Fiction is an imagined story and invent literary composition designed to entertain and sometimes instruct to make reader feel and think. Fiction can inspire, intrigue, scare, and engage us in new ideas. It also can help us see ourselves and our world in new and interesting ways. What's more, it's often just plain fun. In contrast to fiction, is it traditional opposite non-fiction, which the creator assumes responsibility for presenting only the fictorial and factual truth. Despite the usual distinction between fiction and non-fiction, some fiction creators currently attempt to make their audience believe the work is non-fiction or otherwise blur and boundary. Often through form of experimental fiction, including some postmodern fiction and autofiction, or even through deliberate library fraud. Next, I will mention and explain three types of fiction. First, the short story. It takes half hour to 2 hours to read a short story. Content between 1,000 and 20,000 words and typically run no more than 25 to 30 pages. Generally focus on one major plot and storyline and a few characters. A Telltale Heart by Edgar Allan Poe is example of short story. Second, novellas. Longer than short stories and can run about 20,000 to 50,000 words, usually between 60 to 120 pages, have a more complex plot and or storyline and more characters than short stories. Famous novellas include Robert Louis Stevenson's. The title is The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Third novel contains over 50,000 words or 120 pages. No limit to their length, it can be as long as their author wants them to be. More complex than novellas, have more than one plot or storyline and many well-developed characters. The longest novel ever written is a 17th century work that contains over 2 million words and more than 13,000 pages. Next, there are many genres of fiction and I will to tell you about it. Genres is a French word that means sort or style. It is often to classify different types of art. Genre is used to group various types of art according to predictable range of feature and expectation. Genre fiction is defined as such primarily for the convention of publisher, editor, reviewer, and bookseller who must identify novels of different areas of interest for potential readers. The following are some of the genres fiction. First, fantasy. For example, superhero fantasy, urban fantasy, comic fantasy. Second, mystery. For example, private detective, medical thriller, police procedural. Third, sci-fi. For example, alien invasion, horror, time travel. For romance, for example, paranormal romance, romantic suspense. Fifth, action. For example, crime thriller, war, spy thriller, action thriller. Sixth, children's, for example, folktales, fairy tales, fable, legend, victor books. Okay, I will end the presentation from me about fiction. I'm sorry if there are wrong words or pronunciation it's not good. See you again. Goodbye and thank you.